Last week we did a dethatch and scalp of my friend's beautiful TifTuf lawn because she's getting it ready for an event. A verti-cut with the allet in a couple of different directions just to make it consistent, and same with the mower, a couple of different directions. And yes, it looked a little bit scalpy after we've done that, but that's what we wanted to do. We just want to get some air, water and nutrients into the profile, and a week later, as you can see, it's looking fantastic. So with Cheryl's event 2 weeks away now, let's see how we can make this even better. Get your lawn on. Perfect spray weather this morning, no wind, beautiful. 7 o'clock in the morning here. This is looking fab, hey? We did that little dethatch there and it's going really well. It's looking much better than mine, I've got to say. Basically, we're here today. Like 2 weeks ago, we did a PGR on this, a light PGR. It's the first PGR that this one's ever had. When I'm saying PGR, I'm talking Primo Max. So it was, I think, 10 mils per 100 square meters. We're going to put another dose down. This is I think it's the 15th of February. Yes, it's the 15th. And Cheryl's got a big event that she wants this looking prime for. So that's on the 28th. So yeah, just under 2 weeks to go now before this needs to be looking its best. It's looking really great now. Weather, for information, is going to be really hot next week and probably hot again after that. So we're still hitting 40s all the time here at Port Augusta. And anyway, this is going to be a green light 300ml PGR, deciding 15ml, 20ml per the 100. I think we'll go 15ml. I think we'll take it easy because this is under regulation. It's still got a bit of a tail of the previous PGR, so it's all going swimmingly well. Couple of little seed head trying to pop out there, but the PGR will get that. Nothing too huge, so really good. Let's do this. Feel that wind has just come off that stuff a little bit. So I went 300 mils of green light, which is a nitrogen ion, mixed with 15 mils of plant growth regulator Primo Max. PGR can discolour the lawn with its application, so that's why you mask it with using a nitrogen ion such as green light. Check this out, I found a nasty little surprise. Bit of Kikuyu growing in there. Pull them out. See that one? You can get that out with a spray called Monument, and also with a spray called Tribute. Yeah, so, but yeah, keep an eye on them and you just pull them out when you see them.
Yeah, definitely.
It happens because the wind will blow everything around here, because there's wild Kikuyu around here everywhere. Yeah, plus you got Kikuyu over there, so yeah, it just happens. So we evenly treat the area with the PGR green light mix. The PGR will lock this in, improve the turf quality and make mowing less frequent. Okay, so now we're going to do the Kikuyu, and we're going to go a little bit different here. This as well got treated with green light and PGR, really dark in the green, but the growth is still really coming through, and she's at 14ml per on the Bowmaster with this, but it's a little bit shavy. A little bit shavy in areas. There's also a bit of cooch in this grass, so it's a bit of a bitzer, but still looking really neat. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a charger 200 mils per the 400 mils per 100 square meters. This is about 40 square meters, so I'm using 200 mil, and we're going to really hit it hard with PGR. We're going to go about 40 mil per 100 square meters. We really want to try and lock this one in, but charger is sort of going to be very powerful and push it to grow as well. So hopefully in the next couple of days before the PGR totally locks in, it'll fix up these areas a little bit, and then make this area a bit more manageable, because yeah, she's just having to mow it all the time because it's just growing so fast. Alright, well, we'll give that a go. Charger is a nitrogen ion, and that will also mask any possible discoloration that you can get with plant growth regulator. So although it is a little bit counterintuitive to have something that's going to give fast leaf growth and something that's trying to control leaf growth at the same time, hopefully this will all lock in, and that iron in the charge is really going to deepen the green here as well. And with the heavy PGR, it's hopefully going to be nice and controlled. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that, helps me grow and keep up to date with this little series that I'm doing on Cheryl's lawn. It's going to turn out a real cracker. Get your lawn on.